Children, today I am going to start the important topic and the last question of the chapter, children and women in sports. Today's topic is sports participation of women in India. Children, this topic is very important, especially for your board examination. Children, when we study the history of the participation of women in sports, we get the following major points are responsible of the less participation of the women in sports. Women's participation in sports has a long history, and it has been understood that man is for market and woman is for home and family. Mostly we get it in our family also. It is a history marked by the division and discrimination, but also one filled with the major accomplishment by female athletes. Women were often perceived as being the weak for sports activities. Please pay attention. Women were often perceived as being too weak for the sports activities. I will give the examples. Today, women are not weak, and sports activities does not make any person weak. It makes everyone healthy. It was often argued in the past that sports was harmful. Sports was harmful to women's health, particularly their reproductive health. Children, these are the misconceptions. When we will study the medical research, we will get it. Sports are beneficial for everyone. In ancient Olympic games, I had taught you in the class 11th, women were not allowed to participate, but in the modern Olympic games, females has been active member, except in the first modern Olympic games, 1896. Okay, only women's were not participated in first Olympic games. In fact, women started participating in modern Olympic games from 1900 onward. And in 1900 Olympics, women participated only 2 sports and only 22 women participated. This data is very less. But in the 1904, only 6 women participated in the 3 events. in the comparison of the 1900 Olympics, 1904 also decreases with the passage of the time. The number of the women's participants in Olympic Games increased, and exactly after 100 years, after 100 years, when we study, we get, I will show the some data. Okay, with the passage of the time, number of the women participants in Olympic Games increased, but it has taken 100 years. In Sydney Olympics 2000, total participants were 10,500 from the 199 countries, and women participants were 4,069, and the average was approximately 38.2. And first time Karnam Malleswari in 2000 Olympics, she won the bronze medal in the weightlifting. This is the India's record. India is the second populated country of the world, but in Olympic 2000, only one medal. I had not got the record of the total number of the participants, but after this Olympic, Athens Olympic 2004, total participants were 10,622, and 4,306 women participated in the different sports, and its average was 40%. But from the Indian women participated only 19, and the average was 1.9. This is the average after 100 years. Children, one time think about this data. It will decrease, not increase. In Beijing Olympics 2008, total participants from the 205 countries were 10,700. The women participants were 4,637, and average was 42.4. And Indian women participants were 13, and the average was 1.3. Here the average is 1.9, here 1.3. At the place of increasing order, decreasing. Okay, this is the condition of the Indian women's. And next topic I will discuss about the regions, but I will discuss about the data. London Olympic 2012, total participants from the 205 countries were 10,960, and 4,862 women participants, and percent was 48%. Indian women participants were 23, and percent was approx 2. Okay, but that was the golden period for the women's, because of Mary Kom and the Saina Nehwal. Mary Kom in the boxing and Saina Nehwal in the badminton won the bronze medal. So we can tell 2000 Olympic was the golden period for the Indian women's. But in the 2016, total participants were 11,238 from 207 countries, and women participated in the Rio de Janeiro Olympic 2016 4,700, and the percentage was 45. Indian women participated 117 in 15 sports events. The percentage was 1%. And 2016 Olympic, I can tell the diamond period for the Indian women, because from the India only 2 medals won by the 2 players Sakshi Malik and the PV Sindhu. No medal won by the males. This is the condition of the second world populated countries records. Children, sorry, because I have discussed here the percent of in the 2012 Olympics 2%, no, 0.2%. Okay, also I have discussed here the percent in the 2004 and 2008. I had collected this data from the books, and I'll also in book I given the 1.3% and 1.9. It is wrong. It should be 0.19% in the 2004 and 2008 0.13%. This is the very poor participants in the Olympic Games. Till date now, children, total medal won by the Indian women in Olympic Games are only 5. Karnam Malleswari, weightlifting, MC Mary Kom, boxing, Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu in the badminton, and Sakshi Malik in wrestling. Children, this is the record from the India. The record tells women participation in sports in India is very less. Today, the modern society has accepted the women's participation in sports competition, and it has risen to a great extent as compared to the past. Have increases, no doubt. And medical studies have proved that the physical activities have benefited the health of women, and it has also benefited the society to a great extent. Good example of the MC Mary Kom. She has won the more medals after the marriage. She has won the 6 times. Boxing World Championship. She is also a woman. Children, the role of the sports on the health of the male as well as females benefited, improve the health. Good example of the COVID-19. When you will be study, you will get those people have better health, no effect of the coronavirus. Children, today Indian society has recognized many of Indian sports women which are playing the role model and they are changing trends of women participation in games and sports. Some of the top women athletes from the India who have proved their sports abilities at international level competitions. Some popular names in the international competition sports are PT Usha. One time she was known by the Udan Pari. I have discussed the name of the MC Mary Kom, Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Anju Bobby George, अंजलि भागवत, के बिना मोल, गीता जाखड़, I have discussed to Karnam Maleswari, Kunju Rani Devi, Jwala Gutta, Dola Banerjee, Neelam J. Singh, and many more players. They have participated in the different sports and they are the role model for the Indian women's, Indian sports girls. Children, what are the causes of the less participation of the women in sports in India? What are the causes? This point is very important. Children, the following reasons may be responsible for low participation of women in sports, especially in India. The important points I will discuss in detail. There are very important to change the attitude, change the rules, regulations. The first reason is lack of legislation. The first reason, it is very important, lack of legislation. In 1972, when you will be study the records, a legislation was passed in USA, United States of America, in which a provision was made to provide financial aid. Financial aid means help to all the educational institutions. In 1972, USA was passed a legislation to provide the financial help to the all educational school, college, universities, and this legislation was related to prevent discrimination and to provide equal opportunities to women to participate in sports at all levels. This legislation was related to prevent discrimination. When you will be study, you will get a lot of discrimination among the women, and they do not get the equal opportunities like the males are the males players. Children in India, there is a lack of such types of legislation. Here, this type of the financial aid of financial aid was not provided to educational institute from the government of India. But the present ruling government has started in 2018. I had taught you in the class 11th, Khelo India, started by the present ruling government in 2018. Khelo India program. And now from 2019, this year is the 2020, and from March we are suffering from the COVID-19. Children, think about the only 1 year the Indian school children have got the financial aid help 8 lakh rupees per annum. Before it was not in the India. How we will expect the medals in the international level competitions? Such children's time is very less. When we will be study, you will get the lot of discrimination among Indian sportsmen. You know, to Suresh Kalmari's good example. That person had sent his wife and daughter to collect the Olympic lamp from the Commonwealth Games. That person cannot send a sportsman. The another reason is male dominated culture of sports in India as a culture. Of sports is perceived to be male dominated. Some women seem to hesitate to take part in sports activities. I have seen you are not less, but you don't miss to comment on the female players. Children, when we will not improve and remove such type of the bad habits, we will not expect the medals in the international level competition by the females. The another reason is lack of self-confidence. Children, owing to social pressure, women tend to have less self confidence in comparison to men and men, and it is very important in sports. Owing to the social pressure, you can see in your family when your sister will come out and she will take interest in the sports, your mother, father, your parents will not allow to go out of the homes. So they loses her confidence. So for the promotion of the women's sports, the support of the all family members are very important. We tell them. The another reason is lack of time. We tells majority of the women's usually have less leisure time than men, because they take on greater responsibility for household work. Such type of the problems usually we see in our houses also. The females get the less time in the comparison of men's. Children, there are various causes. The another reason is the lack of personal safety. Safety is very important for the all girls when they go to the another places to participate in the any sports competitions. And this is the responsibility of the society as well as the government. First responsibility of the society. When the society will not support, society support is very important of the females player, then we will get the more medals. Children, they do not get the proper lack of proper access to the facilities. Facilities another important reason or cause of the less participation of the women in sports. Children, when we will not provide the facilities, we cannot improve the sports performance. So for the improvement of the sports performance, the facilities are very important, and Indians females players suffering from the access to the facilities. Children, lack of awareness among the women when we study. Lack of the awareness is some become the victims of the baseless and imaginative misconceptions in our society. And some people tells and the females are not for the sports, they are only made for the household work task. No, the proper facilities and awareness among the women are very important. The another cause of the less participation of the women in India is less number of the women coaches in India, very less number of the sports coaches. So how our daughters, sisters, they will learn the skills, rules to improve the sports performance. So this is the duty of the government to provide the more number of these women's coaches to improve the performance. Everyone know about the another cause is the lack of fitness and the wellness movement. Children, some people tells the lack of fitness, but when you will study, I had taught you in the class 11th, females have better flexibility in the comparison of the males. So she can develop the career in the flexibility activity, like the gymnastic is the good for the females. So such type of this is the misconception, lack of fitness and wellness is another cause. Children, next cause is very important. Attitude of the society towards the women's participation in sports. Till when we will not think positively regarding the women's, we cannot expect the medals. So my little suggestion for the everyone, please change your attitudes among the women's. And I have seen the lack of interest of the spectators. When IPL or the ODI cricket will start, more number of the spectators will come and they will take interest to see the matches. But when start the females sports competition, they do not get the more number of the spectators. So spectators are the very important to improve the interest of the players as well as spectators. Children, this topic is very important. No coverage of the women's sports by media. The role of media is very important. Children, that they start the women's World Cup, women's kabaddi, you will not get the news in the popular news channels. So no coverage of the women's sports by the media. You will not get any news in the newspapers, magazines. We wait and search on the nets, then we get the result also. Last World Cup, kabaddi won by the Indian females, but I had got this news after 3 days in the major news channels. So children, these are the major reasons for the less participation of the women in sports, especially in India. That's all. Thank you so much.